I'm going to demonstrate how to use the single shot coffee maker here. So right out of the box, it comes with these two holders. This one right here is for you to put your own ground coffee inside. And this one here is if you've got these pre-made cups, you can just pop it in. If you look, you can see that there's like a needle inside. It's going to puncture through the bottom of this. So I'll put it in there. And this thing, I'm going to lift up on the handle button, and I will put this in there. And as you see, this will puncture through the top, and then I could start. That's not what I'm going to do today. I'm going to use this right here. So as you see, it's got a max line. You don't fill it up past the max line. So here's my coffee. I'm going to pour it on in. All right, that's about where the max line is. So now I'm going to close it up. All right, now for the water, I'm going to lift off the lid, pour this right on inside, and I'm probably going to get it about halfway there between the min and the max, and that's good to go. All right, so once again, to load it up, I'm going to pull up. I'm going to load the holder in there, close it all the way down. All right, again, this thing right here, this is the water catcher. If you want, you can just remove it all the way if your cup is too big, and just put your cup there. But for now, I'm going to use this. So that's my cup. To turn it on, you tap the on button, and then you're going to select the size. So you've got 6 ounces, 8 ounces, 10, 12, and 14. You get the one that you want, and I'm going to select, let's say 8 right there, and then I'm going to touch brew. And there you have it, got 8 ounces of coffee. Let me mix in some milk in there and see how it tastes. Ah, coffee.